Hi friends, in this video we will see another thing known as weak map. So we have seen about the map, right? So we there is also another object that is nothing but weak map object. What is this weak map object? Actually, weak map object, what we can say is, so the map object, whatever the data holds, it will remain like that only. Okay, when the data is getting on more and more, so the memory will become overflow and all those things we will be having. So because since it is a JavaScript, if you use the weak map, the keys which we are not using, so the data which we are the objects or any data which we are not using in the code, those will be sent to the garbage collector, and the garbage collector, it will remove the from the memory, so that the memory usage will be performance will be increased. So in this reason weak map is used. So map and weak map, what it will be doing is, weak map always have the keys as a references thing. So weak references it will be there, so the key will be the weak thing, so that if any problem comes or anything, so the object is will be removed and that reference also will be removed. For example, fruits is an object. If it is not used anywhere, anything, this reference will be automatically removed. Okay, you understood, right? So for example, this fruits object, we are not using it in the code overall, the code and all those things. We have initialized that one, and we are not using it anywhere. And if we introduce it in the map, so it will allocate a memory for that object and it will keep like that only. But if you introduce it in the weak map, okay, what it will do is, so if that object is not using it anywhere, means it will remove it from the weak map also, and that object also will be removed from the memory, so that the performance increase will be the more. So in order to use that one, so we will be using, in order to do achieve that thing, so we will be using the weak map. And also you need to remember that the weak map will always have these keys. We will be not having these keys like this. So primitive data types, you will be not having the keys. You will be having the keys as an object only. Since objects are of the weak reference types, if those are not used, we can remove it from the memory leakage. For example, if I try to execute this one, I will change it to weak map here. If I change it to weak map here, let's see the output. We are getting that weak map can invalid valid used for the weak map. So that means, as it is a weak map, so it doesn't know exactly the size what it will be having. Why? Because if this object fruits object is not used anywhere in the code, means automatically this one will be removed. So that means we cannot calculate the size of the weak map. So if it doesn't calculate the size of the weak map, we cannot loop over this for off loop. Okay, so for that reason, so there will be no for off loop for this one. Okay, you will be having, you will be not able to calculate the size of the weak map, and also you will not able to iterate that weak map. If you want to get the data, the keys should always be an object key value pair. The keys also should be a key value pair only. It should not be like primitive data. Why? Because so it can free up that key, and also it can free up that value also. So now I can, you will keeping that a is equal to something like key 1. I will try to do. Okay, a colon 1. Okay, I have one key, and let key 2 is equal to b colon 1. I have two keys, so these are two objects. What I can do is, I can directly use this one and here, and I can directly use this one here. Now if I want to get the data, I can directly get the data using basket dot get of key 1. If I try to get the key 1, now I got the output. See, so this is the main difference between the map and the key map. So you will be not able to get the keys. You will be able to delete the data, but you will be not able to get the keys. So dot keys will not work in the weak map, and also you cannot loop over this one. It doesn't have a enumerator. It's not an enumerable. It's not an enumerable, and also you will be not able to do the for loop also. So this is the weak map thing. So if you want to learn more about, so you can also search for weak map in the, what we can say, in the online. So in the Mozilla Developer Network, as I already told you, so we can see the reference. So this is one. The weak map is an object, is a collection of key value pairs in which the keys are weakly referenced. Okay, so the keys must be objects and the values can be arbitrary values. So the keys, the what are the keys we have used, right? So here key 1 and key 2, these keys must always be the objects. So previously, like string or number or anything, so primitive data types we will be not using. So primitive data types and key are key as keys are not allowed. Okay, so it will not be a enumerable also. So why this one is used is because of the garbage collection, because in order to get the performance, in order to increase the performance thing, so in order to prevent the memory leakage, we will be using that weak map. And here you will be having only 3 or 4 only. It's not an enumerable thing. You'll be having delete, you'll be having get, you'll be having set, and also has. You can set, you can check whether the key is available or not, has thing. And also you cannot get the keys thing. So if you want to have a list of keys, if you want to know the list of keys of that one, you should use a map. So you cannot use the weak map. If you want to get the keys, dot keys like this, if you want to use anything is, you should use a map instead of the weak map. Okay, this is all about the weak map. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.